Good evening, everyone. This is Nathan Jeffery again. Tonight I'm going to be covering something I've been asked to cover by a number of people, and that is how have I been embedding videos and hoplinks onto my Blogger blog. So the first thing you need to do before you can even set up a free Blogger blog is to get a Gmail email address. It's just gmail.com. It's very easy, takes just a couple of minutes. You can set up your Gmail email there, and then you'll use that to log in when you set up a free Blogger blog. You can hear a lot of things about blogs. I use blogs for all my marketing and primarily my Blogger blog. I like WordPress and some of the others. However, they are not absolute necessities that you get those as well. You can set up a number of blogs if you want. You can have one blog that's for one marketing, one company you're marketing. You can have another blog for another one, but you have to use a separate email every time you set one up. And it has to be a Gmail one if you're going to do Blogger. WordPress is also an awesome one. I have one with them, but I don't use it as much because I am more used to Blogger, and I had to go and learn Blogger by trial and error. So here we go. Okay, you've set up your Blogger blog. It will take you into your dashboard, which is where I am now in my back office of my blog. To set up or embed a video, I'm going to go to New Post. Hopefully this will move quickly here. And in New Post, you've got this box. It's going to say Title. And down here you have this big open space. Title it if you would like. Here is where we're going to put our HTML code. So I'm going to jump over to YouTube real quick. Let's say this one, Why Network Marketing, is the video I want to embed. I'm going to click here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit copy. Now I've got that embed code locked in my mouse. I'm going to jump back over to Blogger. I'm going to click here in this empty box, and I'm going to paste. That is my HTML code. That video is now embedded, once I hit save, into my blog and will appear there. I want to double click and put any article or writing I want below that. Now when all that's done and I insert all my labels here, labels are tags, they're called labels in Blogger. My tags from, say, that video or the article I'm putting underneath it. In here I'm going to go back here and I'm going to want to tighten that up to where the language that I wrote here butts up against the HTML code here. That way it tightens it up on my blog. So after that's done, I'm going to click Save Now and Publish. Okay, what's that going to do? Oh, we'll view my blog. Oh yeah, we'll view my blog. All right, yes. This will bring my blog up and you will see the result. Okay, if I were to have done that and followed through, what you will see is this is the title that I typed in. This is the title that was on that video within YouTube. Now let's go down to one that has a blog with it. Okay, back up. Get paid for collecting data. And my name. This is the YouTube. This is my Blogger title that I entered in those boxes previous. Now down here is my text, and you'll notice it's butted right up against the video because I did it that way. Everything in my blog has to do with the video I embedded. A lot of people are throwing videos on there and their blogs really don't have anything to do with it. The other problem is they're creating these highlight words right here, lead people to whatever website I chose to hoplink. So when you click on those, they send you to that site that I previously designated. Your hoplinks, which I'm going to show you how to do in about 2 seconds, should lead them to a site that is pertinent not only to your blog, but to that video, and they should all interconnect as far as a theme. You shouldn't be sending people to a hoplink that has nothing to do with your video or your blog. Anyway, with that said, I digress, and I'm going to show you how to do hoplinks. All right, let's go back to my dashboard. And we're back to where we had embedded that video. Now I can type, oops, clicking here, I can type anything I want in here, and then I want to make a hoppable link. So if anybody clicks on that highlight word, they go to the site I want them to go to. I like to use myspacegenerators.org for my hop links. I just find it easier. When you first go to myspacegenerators.org, this is what you will see. MySpace clickable link generator. I am, let's say, doing something on my primary company, Prepaid Legal. I can say PPL, or people understand this better, click here. Okay, you'll see why here in just a second. I want to send them to my hub site, which covers the membership, the opportunity, and all that stuff. So here we go. There's the website I want it to go to. Then I'm going to click Generate Code. It's generating my hop link. Here's my HTML code that I need for that hop link. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to jump back to my blog, and let's say I want this little bit right here. I'm going to click right in front of that, right click, paste, and now you'll see this click here. I need to go in here and delete click here out. If you're going to do the same word for all of it, then put that in that first slot on your generator. That way, all you've got to do is find where you want it inserted, and boom, you're done. All right, I want G, L, K, J, and H. Let's say just that much of it I want done. Well, what I need to do now is come in here and I need to delete that portion out, because otherwise I'm going to have it duplicated here. This portion, G, L, K, J, and H, as soon as I save that, will be a clickable link in that blog. That would be your total blog here, if I were to save it. Okay. Now, I've already shown you what those look like once they're produced. I'm going to go ahead and click on View Blog. Yes, I want to navigate away. And that pretty much sums it up. Blogger is awesome because you can play with it and discover ways of doing everything, all the way from adding your picture to where you put your followers, banner ads, and I will cover banner ads and how to insert those on a later video. I hope you have a good night. If you still have questions, by all means, please get in contact with me. My contact information is generally next to my videos that I produce. This will be uploaded to YouTube, and you should be able to find a link to my blog, which will lead you to my email. You can contact me on Facebook if you see me there. You can also Skype me. It's just Nathan Jeffery. I believe it says Huntsville or Magnolia, Texas. And go ahead and add me, and you can ask me there. I hope you have a good night. I hope this video helps you. And I will see you on the web for my next topic. Have a good night.